Hello there everyone and welcome back. So today guys, I want to share with you on how to wash an engine bay as simple as possible. The ultimate goal here is to just make the engine look presentable. And to be honest, the engine bay itself has a little bit of dirt here and there, a bit of dust, but overall it's not too bad. So I collected all the leaves so that they don't get in the way of cleaning. And then I covered up the alternator and the battery. All you need is just shopping bags. These happen to be from Sainsbury's. I'm using my favorite degreaser, Bilhamber Surfix HD, diluted 1 to 10 in an IK sprayer. And I'm just simply starting off with the bonnet, and I'm using my vikan brush to agitate the chemical that I've just sprayed. And I always start with the bonnet because I want to avoid that overspray later on, and I rinse off the bonnet as well as soon as I've agitated it. And the cordless pressure washer is ideal for it. It's only 22 psi. We don't need a lot of pressure, we just want a good rinse. To be honest, a cordless pressure washer is good for everything really, for rinsing the outside of the car as well. So now we're going to clean the engine bay itself, and we don't really want to oversaturate the area too much, just enough chemical to break down the top layer of the dirt. Meaning that we're only going to clean the top half of the engine. We're not going to go lower. And the vikan brush is really good because it has long bristles and you can reach pretty much everywhere. And as I mentioned before, the pressure washer, which happens to be worx Hydro Shot, does give an engine a nice rinse without applying too much pressure. And while the engine is still wet, I'm going to apply a vinyl and rubber dressing from autoglym that is meant for interior and can be used on engine bays as well. Can be applied on a wet engine, and you can also sort of wipe it down or leave it as it is for more of a shine. But I normally wipe it down. And while it's sitting there, I'm just going to wipe down the areas surrounding the engines with my rinseless wash, so that I get rid of all the dirt or all the overspray from the pressure washer. Back to the engine bay. As you can see, the engine dressing has soaked in a little bit, and now I'm just wiping down with my old microfiber towel, wiping down all the areas that are wet, and as much as I can wherever I can reach. And I'm also going to use a leaf blower to blow off water from any area, again where I can. And I'm just gonna afterwards take off the bags and wait for the engine to naturally dry. Also make sure if you want to, you can use a quick detailer on the battery. Just give it a wipe down for the even look of the engine bay. And the engine bay looks really presentable. I don't want it to be over shiny, but just the dressing gives it like the nice matte look. And as you can see, the engine starts up pretty good. No engine check lights, meaning that the engine cleaning was successful and we achieved our mission today. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Like and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in my next videos.